Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to create aloe vera oil. First way I'm going to show is the heated method, and you first start off by cutting off all the prickly parts of the aloe vera and then cutting the aloe vera into smaller pieces. After you've cut it into smaller pieces, put it in a blender and then blend it really well. To prepare this aloe vera, you can use extra virgin olive oil or extra virgin coconut oil. What I'm doing is I'm pouring the amount of aloe vera that I've blended, about 2 cups of aloe vera, and I'm also adding equal amount of the oil, which is 2 cups of the olive oil. You want to cook this on medium to high heat, and you want to keep on mixing it, and as you mix it you will notice that the aloe vera is turning into clumps. You want to stop cooking it once it has a very clumpy look to it. Once that is done, it's time to strain your aloe vera, and once you've strained it, make sure you strain it really well and not get any residue in your mix. So once you've strained it, this is what the heated aloe vera oil looks like. This is the fastest way to make aloe vera oil. Now this next way, you just start off by cutting your aloe vera leaf into small pieces, then cut the aloe vera into smaller pieces. In a jar, you will add in your aloe vera pieces. Now you actually want to use a dark bottle jar, but I'm using this clear jar so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to top this jar with some coconut oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil too. Just note that the coconut oil will solidify after some time. Once that is done, you want to keep this in a dark, warm place for about a month to 2 months. Now the second method is for sensitive skin. So you're pretty much doing the same thing, but cutting the aloe vera into bigger pieces and scraping off the gel that exists within the aloe vera. Once you've got all the aloe gel out, you want to mash up the aloe so that it is much smoother, and transfer that into your jar. I don't agree to blending it because it will be very watery. So after you do that, you add your your extra virgin coconut oil to the top of it, the same equal amount. Now this is what it looks like. That other one, you also want to store it in a warm container, warm area for about a month. After a month of storage, this is what my aloe vera gel oil looks like, and this is also what the sensitive one looks like. So you can see it has changed in color, and now we're going to process it. To strain the aloe vera, I'm just using I don't know if to call this a cheesecloth, but you can use a cheesecloth. I'm putting my funnel in there, and I'm going to drain off the aloe vera. I will be adding the lavender for scent and just add a few drops in there, and then the peppermint oil as a preservative. Once that is done, you can see how it looks like. It has a nice consistency. I use this aloe vera as my pre-poo, as part of my hair oil for my edges for growth, and also if you have dandruff. And my daughter also uses it for her eczema, so it's very beneficial. It helps with cuts, it heals cuts, and also sunburn and other things dealing with irritated skin. So I'm going to show you me using it. So before you use it, make sure you shake it really well, and I'm just applying it to my scalp, and next I will be applying to my edges, and it has really helped me on my growth of my edges. To pre-poo with it, I just apply it generously to my hair, and I cover my hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap and a heated cap if I want to do a hot oil treatment with it. You can do so many things with this oil. It has excellent sleep, so it's good for even detangling your hair. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do make aloe vera oil, please tag me on Instagram, wherever, and feel free to share this video with others. Thanks for watching. Bye.